If you're over 50, chances are you're already making at least 3 of these 7 prostate mistakes. Let's fix them now. Welcome to Healthy After 50. Seniors, I'm here to share clear, science-based advice to help older adults live stronger, healthier lives. If you're new here, consider subscribing so you never miss practical health tips designed for you. Mistake number 1. Ignoring regular checkups. Many men wait until symptoms appear before visiting a doctor. But here's the truth. Prostate problems, including enlargement and even cancer, often develop silently. You may not feel any pain until the condition is advanced. That's why annual screenings are critical after age 50. A simple PSA blood test and a quick exam can detect changes early, and catching problems early can save you years of discomfort, protect your urinary health, and even save your life. So, don't wait until something feels wrong. Make regular prostate checkups part of your yearly routine. Mistake number 2. Drinking too little water. Many men over 50 cut back on fluids to reduce nighttime trips to the bathroom. It seems logical, but it actually backfires. Dehydration makes your urine more concentrated, which irritates the bladder and the prostate. The fix is simple. Stay well hydrated during the day. Drink water steadily from morning to evening and just reduce intake 2 hours before bedtime. This way, your body stays healthy and you still minimize those night interruptions. Mistake number 3. Too much sitting. Extended sitting increases pressure on the prostate and pelvic area. Over time, this can cause discomfort, worsen urinary symptoms, and even lead to inflammation. If you spend hours at a desk, driving, or watching TV, make it a habit to stand up and move every 30 to 40 minutes. Even a short walk or gentle stretch helps reduce that pressure and improves blood circulation. Your prostate and the rest of your body will thank you. If you find this helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Your support helps this community grow. Mistake number 4. Poor diet choices. A diet high in processed meats, fried foods, and unhealthy fats may increase your risk of prostate problems. On the other hand, certain foods actively protect your prostate. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, broccoli, and other cruciferous vegetables support hormone balance, and fatty fish like salmon provide omega-3s that reduce inflammation. Small daily choices, like swapping red meat for grilled fish or adding more vegetables to your plate, can make a major difference over time. Mistake number 5. Ignoring urinary symptoms. Do you find yourself going more often at night, struggling with a weak flow, or having difficulty starting and stopping urination? These may feel like minor annoyances, but they're often the first signs of prostate enlargement or even infection. Delaying medical attention can make the problem worse and may even damage your bladder. Don't dismiss these symptoms. Talk to your doctor early so you can prevent bigger issues down the road. Mistake number 6. Overusing certain medications. Decongestants, antihistamines, and even some pain relievers can tighten muscles around the prostate and worsen urinary flow. Since many older men use these medications frequently, it's easy to overlook the side effects. Always review your medications with your doctor or pharmacist. Sometimes a small adjustment can reduce pressure on your prostate and improve daily comfort. Mistake number 7. Ignoring stress and mental health. Stress may not seem connected to prostate health, but it absolutely is. Chronic stress raises cortisol, disturbs hormone balance, and increases inflammation throughout the body, including the prostate. Poor sleep from stress can also make urinary symptoms worse. The solution? Simple daily practices like walking outdoors, deep breathing, or short meditation sessions can reduce stress and keep your prostate healthier. So let's recap. Skipping checkups, drinking too little water, too much sitting, poor diet, ignoring urinary symptoms, overusing medications, and unmanaged stress. These are the 7 silent mistakes men over 50 make every day that can harm prostate health. Avoiding them will protect your well-being, your independence, and your quality of life. Subscribe to Healthy After 50. Seniors for more practical health tips, and check out our next video on nighttime urination, what's normal and what's dangerous. This video is for educational purposes only. It does not replace professional medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider for personalized care.